Hey guys, James Grandstaff here. All right, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through the opt-in bribe tactic. Okay, I'm going to walk you through how you can use this tactic more effectively in your business with this really cool tool that I just discovered. It's not very often that I get excited about a tool, but this thing definitely caught my attention, and I want to walk you through how to use it. And I'm also going to show you some examples of pages that I had set up using this tool. And then I'm going to show you the exact opt-in bribe that I'm using. And then what I want to do is walk you through a place where you can actually get high quality background images like the one you see here. Now normally if you were to go to a website like iStock Photo, you're going to spend, for a graphic this large, you're going to spend like 17 credits, 20 credits, and they're at least $1 per credit. So this image right here alone in the background with the money on the table would cost you $20 for one image. It's crazy. So I'm going to show you a site where you can go and actually get free high quality images. So and then once we're done, we're just going to kind of walk you through the tool, and then you can get started doing the same thing. Like I said, you go from idea to implementation, and it's just the coolest thing. And you really don't even need your own website to do this. So if you don't have a hosting account, this tool is all you really need to start building your list and generating sales for anything you want, your own products, affiliate products, or a network marketing business, whatever you're into. So, all right, so this page here, real quick, I mean, I'm sure you've read the headline by now, but this is for a case study that I put together for my first private client. I actually helped a guy boost his sales by $674 per day. So I'm just looking to attract the same type of people with this headline, someone that's interested in generating more sales from their current leads. So I'm going to show you the bribe real quick. This here is just a single page PDF. So this is one page, okay? I created this PDF in, I have a Mac, so I created this in Pages. It was from a template. So if you're using a Mac and you have Pages, you'll see the template. I think it's called Extreme or something. And I mean, you can literally just create something really, really quick. The cool thing about these types of squeeze pages is, and I'll show you more examples in a minute, is that you have to get really crystal clear because there's not a lot of room to edit things. You have to get really crystal clear on what you're offering. So one example might be, well, there is one example that I saw where they offered, the 5 tools that I use to make high quality videos. So then literally the PDF was just literally a bullet point. Tool 1, tool 2, tool 3, it was just like a list. And that's it. So you don't have to overcomplicate these opt-in bribes whatsoever. Just put together some quick, report and then export it as a PDF, and that's your opt-in bribe. So let me walk you through this over here. This tool, if you go to creativecommons.org and you type in, and I'll show you why I have this typed in here in a second, but if you type in your keyword, it'll give you a list of images that you can use. And some of them you can use for commercial use, free of charge. So a friend of mine, he's in the survivalist niche. So I'm going to type in grocery store here, and I'm going to go to Flickr. And what happens next is a whole list of images come up. So I've already grabbed one of these images and kind of saved it, but I want to show you what to look for. This is the one I grabbed. If you click on the image, and then you click on it again, all right, and then you click View All Sizes. Then you're going to get over here. It's going to say Some Rights Reserved. Okay, so here you can download any size you want. And you want to definitely go with a bigger size for something like this. But if you click on the license, Some Rights Reserved, it'll show you that you are free to share, to copy, distribute, and transmit the work, to remix, to adapt the work, and to make commercial use of the work. So you want to look for that, to make commercial use of the work. So I've gone back, actually, let's go back. I've already grabbed this image. It's saved to my computer. So now let's go over to this tool. It's called leadpages.net. And once you get inside, you basically can just pick any one of these templates to start working on a page. So if you want to make a squeeze page, you just click Use this template. There's webinar registration pages, double opt-in confirmation pages, pretty much any page you'll need to do anything in terms of marketing or generating leads. All the pages are within this back office. So what I'm going to do for this example, just to show you how awesome and how simple this tool is to use, I'm going to click on this one right here, the basic squeeze page aligned to the right. I'm going to click Use this template. All right, now you may have seen this template because I've seen this girl actually all over the place, and that was my initial hang up when I saw squeeze pages like this. I'm like, yeah, all right, once again, everybody's using the same squeeze page, and when that happens, the effectiveness, it goes away. So here's the thing. You come over here and you can optimize. You can basically, if you notice as I hover over these, if you look at the opt-in box, each little or the form, the sections kind of highlight. So if I click on background image, all right, it allows me to change the image. So just real quick, just for fun here, I'm going to click on this one. Boom, background image changed. This thing is ready to go instantly. All I have to do is click Save to My Pages, and we'd have this new background image. So what I'm going to do is click background image again, and I'm going to click Add Image, choose File, and I have one on my desktop, grocery store, upload, and there it is. So I'm going to click on that. Boom. Now we have this grocery store image. Now I have a headline here that I want to add. So in order to change the headline, all I do is click this box here, and I just type in my text. Free video reveals the 37 things you should start hoarding now. Whoops. Okay, so there it is. Headline, instantly. Free video reveals the 37 things you should start hoarding now before a crisis happens. And then if you click here, you can change any of this type of text. Download the report, you click on that, you can change, in this case it's not a video, so we're going to put watch the video. If you want to edit your legal information, you click here, you would type in the words you want, then you click this here, and you can change the link. So basically you would just let's see, if you just go legal, whoops, and then you highlight it, type this in, and just for fun I'm just going to type in google.com, but you get the idea. Now that's highlighted, boom. Or you could even just come in here, click this, and click hidden, and it just takes it away completely. For instance, we see this logo up here, lead pages. Well, we don't want lead pages here, so we click hidden, and OK, and boom. Now, check this out. You come over here and you click Save to My Pages. You put a title on it, Survival, Save, and now this is the coolest part right here. Check this out. How would you like to publish this page? You can use it immediately. If you click this, they give you a link immediately, so you don't have to host anything. This thing is ready to go. If I click this right here, that's the page live on the internet. Now that to me was just amazing. When I saw this, I was like, whoa. So this page is, or this tool is just awesome. Actually, let me go back and edit it one more time before I go here, because you're probably wondering about the opt-in form integration. This is really cool. You basically select, so there's like a drop-down list. You select Aweber or Infusionsoft or whichever one you're using. Then you click Load Forms, and it'll ask you to type in your Aweber username and password, and then it connects to Aweber's API, which is just, the two softwares talk to each other. And then you can come over here and you can pick any one of your lists. You just click the list, click the web form. You do have to have a web form created beforehand, but you create the web form, and then click OK, and then it automatically connects that form to, or this new form that you created, to your Aweber list that you've also created. So just totally cool stuff. So let me go back here, my pages, we're going to go survival. And you can publish this to you if you want to publish this page on your WordPress website, you can download the plugin. And then if you want to add this as a tab on your Facebook page, you can do the same thing. You just click Add to Facebook page, you click another button, and it will add it right to your Facebook page. And then you can download this page and publish it to your server. Now this is cool. Right here it says, since we use JavaScript, your page will be updated each and every time you edit it here in lead pages. So let me go back to my pages real quick and show you the case study. I've added this to my Facebook page. So if I go over here, here is my new, I created a Facebook page just for, my name or whatever. And then I created this tab by following the directions. I clicked the button and it was like instantly added to my Facebook page. And it's integrated with Aweber and it works. So it's the coolest thing. All right, so now watch this. If you go back to lead pages and I want to edit case study, if I just want to change this headline instead of, want to drive more sales, how about, want to get more sales? Okay, save. I go back over to my page here, my Facebook page, and on this page, the headline is instantly updated. Watch this. Want to get more sales? So like earlier today, I had this ad running, and it just didn't, the promoted post just didn't kind of look right, just didn't kind of feel right with the whole flow of everything. So I went and I changed this page on the fly to match the promoted post that I was, promoting. So this tool is, as you can tell, I'm pretty excited about it. Let's see, what else do we have? So where did we go? Let's go back to my pages. Yep, and the survival. So yeah, I could add this to a Facebook page, like I said. If I could go add it to one of my other pages, I suppose. 5,000 gains. Let's do it. Add page to tab. And now this thing is instantly added to Facebook page. That's it. Isn't that cool? I mean, this thing is just the neatest little tool ever. And the price, I was surprised at the price. It was $197 for a year, which breaks down to like $16 a month. So the value is definitely there. And if you want to get a copy of it to play around with it, there'll be a link below this video where you can go and grab a copy and start using this tool immediately to just start getting, like I said, you go from idea to live page quicker than anything I've ever seen before. So I highly recommend this tool. And let me know what you think about it. All right, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time.